All right, hey, this is everything we sold Monday and Tuesday. We sold this Michael Angelo No Boundary CD. We just listed that a couple days ago. We paid 50 cents for it at a flea market, and we got $9.49 for it. Sold a PS2 racing game. Gee, I wonder if I can find it. There we go. Actually, that's a GameCube. Wow. I only sold that for 11 bucks. I had it for like $13.99. Somebody made me an $11 offer. So I went ahead and took it because I paid $1 for it at a pawn shop. So it was actually in pretty good shape. And we have a cassette tape block. I can remember where I put it. Okay, where did I put it? You guys are getting a tour of the drawers here, because I really don't know where I put it. Now, this is getting ridiculous. I'm going to have to add a bunch of this crap out. Hey, that's because I had it under there. There it is. 25 heavy metal tapes. We sold it for, it was like $54 shipped. Green Mile Digibook. We paid $2.50 for it. There again, we got like 4 things left in that drawer. No wonder my eBay sales are down. I don't have anything left to sell. Anyway, $2.50 we paid for this, and we sold it for $14.99. We sold a blank t-shirt. Figure out where I put the blanks at. There it is, right there on top. It was a Lee Sport Ringer t-shirt, blank, 2XL, which is a pretty good size. I paid $1.99 for it at a thrift store. I think it was new without tags too. It was in really good shape. Sold it for $24.99. Next we sold, it was a 1996 Padres shirt. Can't remember if I have 1 or 2 of these things. Is that it right there? There it is. 1996 San Diego Padres shirt. We paid $1.99 for it. And I believe we sold it for $19.99. I think tonight is the night we sold a bunch of stuff that's hard to find. But we sold The Rock hat. I think it might be this one right here. I'm not sure. But it was autographed by Dick Vitale. Where is that one? Let's hope it's this one. It kind of looks, there we go. It's autographed by Dick Vitale. I think it was new. But we ended up selling this for $29.99, I believe. Now we can add these 2 that we listed yesterday. All right, we sold 2 WVU sweatshirts. I'm not sure if they're in here or not. Ohio State. I believe it was that one. That's the Dallas Cowboys. All right, we had another section here. Let's hope it's in here somewhere. If it's not in here, I have no clue where it is. Here we go. That's a WVU embroidered sweatshirt. We sold those 2 sweatshirts for $59.99 for the pair. Tell you, these jackets are getting out of hand. Just emptied a bag of jackets. I used to have jackets here, got jackets there, we have jackets hanging up over there. I really have to make my hanging system. Anyway, we sold, I believe it's this jacket. We sold this Harry Gant Skull Bandit Racing jacket. We sold it for $32.80. We paid $4.99 for it at a thrift store. Hey, this might be one of our hardest nights of trying to find stuff. You know, usually we sell a bunch of video games and CDs and stuff I can just pull out of my drawers. Start digging through here, it takes a little while. Anyway, we sold a Jimi Hendrix. It's corn, that's not Jimi Hendrix. Jimi Hendrix shirt. Doesn't look like it's in here. I wonder where the heck it is. Like I said, it's the night of hard to find stuff. I'm on my 3rd bin right now. I think I see it right there. But for some reason, it was in my country music bin. Anyway, we sold this Jimi Hendrix. We paid $1.99 for it at a thrift store. It's from the 90s. I think it's got a Wonderland tag. We got $59.99 for it. I think we had $79.99 for it on our store, and we sent a offer to buyer for $59.99. I figured I paid $2 for it. I'll take that. We're doing a what sold video. This is everything that's sold Wednesday and Thursday. And the Andromeda Strain laser disc. We picked up these laser discs for $1 at a flea market. We bought like 176 of them. We've already made our money back on them. We sold this one for $12.99. I always liked laser discs, so I always buy them when I see them. A new secondhand Lions. Bought that at the Dollar Tree for $1. Sold it for $8.99. Listed this last night. It was The Closer, Season 4. It was new. We bought it at a pawn shop for $2. And we sold it for $14.99. Sold a Bob Dylan Bob Dylan brand new Blu-ray. We picked that up at the Dollar General for $1.25, and we sold it for $10. In case you guys didn't catch my other videos before, Dollar General had a past few Christmases ran sales, buy 2 get 2 free, but they also took 50% off the end for some reason, so most of their Blu-rays came out to $1.25. Let's look in here. We sold I think it was a Arizona t-shirt. I haven't seen this t-shirt in a while. There it is. It was a 1987 Arizona. It has a cactus with an IV in it. I don't know if that's beer or what, but it kind of reminded me of like beer. We sold it. We paid $1.99 for this, and we sold it for $14.99. All right, we sold a Summer of Monkeys. It's used. We bought it at a pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $19.99. We also sold Woman in Gold. There it is. We bought this. It was brand new. Bought it at a pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $8.99. I don't know if you guys have seen the video yet, but I did a haul video the other day, and we bought this. It was a Grizzly Adams doll. I paid $6 for it at a thrift store, and I sold it for $38.99. It's from 1971, and as Happy Gilmore said, Grizzly Adams did have a beard. That was one of my favorite lines on Happy Gilmore, when Lee Trevino was like, well, Grizzly Adams did have a beard. There's the other closer. It was season 7. We picked that up for $2 at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $22.22. All right, we sold this Rey Mysterio, Littlest Big Man. Let's see if we can get to that. We picked that up at a pawn shop for $1, and we sold it for $9.99. There it is, Rey Mysterio, Littlest Big Man. I met Ray. He was a cool dude. We sold a hat. Here's a hat we just put on the other day. It's from Marietta College. I wonder if it's that hat right there. We sold a Clippers hat. It might be that one right there. Let me try to get it. Right, I didn't even have to get that thing down. But we sold that. It was a new Clippers hat. It's a Mitchell & Ness hat. We bought it at a flea market for $5, and we sold it for $28.49. We sold a remote, which should be in here, I believe. Let's see. DVD remote. 185A. Yep, 185A. We paid 49 cents for this at a thrift store, and we sold it for $9.99. We sold this Mad Monster Rally. I bought that in a collection of stuff. I paid about $2.50 for it. Bought it a couple years ago. Finally stuck it on eBay, and we sold it for $46.99. It has like 3 out of print movies in it. Make sure you scan all those movies when you see them, because some of them are pretty valuable. Megamind. We bought that for $3 at Big Lots, and we sold it for $12.99. All right, here's something funny. These pants have been sitting here since I moved in. I didn't know where to put them, so I just left them there for the past like 2 months, however long I've been in here. And they've been listed for a year, 2 years. It's been a long time. And they sold today, so I paid $1 for them at a thrift store. I think they sold for like $13.99, so I didn't make a whole lot of money, but hey, I can get them off this rack. Right, I Declare, there we go. Bought that at a thrift store for $1.49. It's still sealed. $8.49 we got for it. And we sold this rat. I actually bought this for myself, but then I looked it up. It was going for $30, so I like $30 more than I did that. Paid $1 for it at a pawn shop, and he said sold it for $30. And literally it sold within like an hour of me listing it. I probably should have listed it higher. All right, we got one more thing to look for then. These tip top. Yeah, tip top tails. I think it's these. Anyway, I sold 16 of those books. They're from the 50s and 60s. And we sold them for $26.99. We paid 35 cents a book for them. Alright, every once in a while you sell one of these good DVDs. This is called Phenomena. Paid $1 for it at the pawn shop. And we sold it for $40. That's everything we sold Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Hopefully you guys had a good week. We'll see you next time. Make sure you check out all the other videos. Hit the like button, comment. If you have any questions, we'll answer them in the bottom. Subscribe, all that fun stuff. Have a good one, guys.